Hi, I'm Benji, the Global Brand Ambassador for Eureka. Today we're going to be looking at the Atom W75F. The Atom range is expanding, and based on the iconic Atom W75, we've now incorporated a cooling system to the back of the Atom 75. Everything you love about the iconic W75 is still within the grinder. The F aspect is the cooling fan system that enacts every single time we grind a dose. Why is it important to implement a cooling fan system to the W75? Well, the fan itself cools down the motor inside the grinder, meaning that we have consistency when we grind coffee at high volume, keeping the temperature stable and making sure that the grinder is not overworked and that we're getting consistent doses and consistent extractions from our espresso every single time. The Atom W75F incorporates 75mm burrs, instant grind weighing technology, a cooling fan system, and anti-vibration systems as well. Let's go through some of these key features now. A key feature of the W75F is the instant grind weighing technology. With the touchscreen, we're able to see in real time how much coffee is being ground into the portafilter. The system allows for incredible consistency every single time we grind doses. We can set multiple weighted doses on the screen, 1, 2, 3, and continuous. And we can see in real time how much coffee is entering the portafilter, meaning that we can preset doses, or we can use a continuous function and grind out exactly how much coffee we need. Every single one of the instant grind weighing technology grinders is pre-calibrated at the factory, meaning that as soon as you take it out of the box, you can set your dose and hit your desired target straight away. The cooling fan enacts as soon as we start grinding coffee and continues for 40 seconds after the shot has finished grinding. The cooling fan focuses on the motor itself, making sure that that is kept to a consistent temperature so that the coffee doesn't overheat when it enters the chamber and we get consistent doses every single time. The instant grind weighing technology also incorporates an anti-vibration system. It means that even if the portafilter is disrupted during the grinding process, we can restart the grind and still get the desired target dose out. If for some reason we've selected the wrong dose, because we're getting real-time feedback as to how much coffee is being ground, we can pause and then we can select the correct dose and it will add up to the target dose. The Atom W75F incorporates a high-speed grinding capacity, making sure that you get quick and consistent doses every single time. The compact design, made fully of metal, ensures durability and also allows you to fit into the bar seamlessly without taking up so much space that you can see over the top, connect with customers, and slot everything you need into small situations. One of the most important aspects of every running cafe is to make sure that we connect with the customers as much as possible. And the Atom W75F helps us do this using the silent technology. By keeping the sounds and the volume of the grind as low as possible, it means that we can have conversations whilst in the midst of a workflow. The W75F has a 2.0 touchscreen display. Let's go and have a look at some of the features in there now. The instant grind weighing technology allows us to preset different doses. 3 different doses here, either single, double, or even triple. We can adjust these doses here, and the W75 will do the rest. We can also, due to the real-time feedback for how much coffee is being ground on the screen, we can grind in continuous mode, meaning that we can visualize how much coffee is coming out and stop when we need it. In the menu, we have a variety of features that are beneficial to usage behind the bar. First, the observation of how much coffee has been ground on each of the settings, followed by some features in terms of being able to adjust the brightness. The capability of having to choose your dose every single time or to pre-select a dose that will automatically run when the portafilter enters the fork. The ability to switch between grinding by weight or grinding by time. For burr maintenance, we can select the type and size of burrs that are in the grinder. The system will tell us when they need to be replaced or maintained. So we can select our type of burrs here. After a preset amount of kilos has been reached on the burrs, an alert will show on the screen to make sure that you are ready to change the burrs in the grinder. You can change the language and select a standby mode to conserve energy. As mentioned, the W75F is pre-calibrated at the factory. However, if you would like to recalibrate, you can do so using this feature here. The Atom W75F incorporates instant grind weighing technology, an active cooling fan system, an anti-vibration system, silent technology, a compact design. This grinder is absolutely ideal for cafes that are striving to achieve excellent consistency for every single shot that they make, whilst maintaining a nice compact design so that you can slot a lot of things on a bar as easily as possible. If your cafe is looking for superb consistency, high speed capacity, and silent technology, this is the perfect grinder for you.